Hi, I'm Dr. Amy Winter, the podiatrist at Olympia Orthopaedic Associates, and I'm going to show you how to do a toe taping. I'm going to demonstrate a toe taping. I use this for a variety of different reasons like tendonitis, capsulitis, turf toe, and for hammer toes. So now you'll have this little convenient video to watch. So first of all, we're going to need some 1-inch paper tape. I always put a dog ear at the end so I don't lose it. And paper tape is better for strapping toes than sports tape, so I really like the paper tape. First of all, we're going to take our tape, and usually I'll tell you about how long, but in general about 7 or 8 inches long. And I'm going to just secure them here. We want 3 pieces. And we're going to be doing like the breast cancer ribbon, the upside down ribbon over the toe. So we're going to start on one side underneath, go over the toe and come down and put it on the other side. So with the first piece of tape, we're going to go in about 1/3 of the way. And sometimes I may tell you to put it on one side or the other if I'm trying to help you pull it a certain way. But for the most part, we're going to go in 1/3 of the way. Now relax your toes. There you go. All the way back to the base of the toe and anchor it down. Then we're going to wrap it over the base of the toe and hold that toe in a very slight downwards position and secure it while we're holding it down. The next piece of tape will go further out, closer to the base of the toenail. We're going to go in 1/3 of the way, anchor it down, overlap the toe. Now I'm positioning the toe, making sure not to pull it down that way, but to pull the toe down flat and secure it. Now I'm just securing my tape, getting out the wrinkles. And the last piece goes right over the center. Again, in 1/3 of the way, anchor it, come over, wrap, pull it down where you need it, where we want it. And then there is our toe taping. You can see the bottom of the foot, how that looks, and on the top of her foot, just like that. Thank you for watching, and please contact us if you'd like to make an appointment by calling the office or at olyortho.com.